We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with HYMC, and HYMC stock has pushed up higher, and it was not the only stock pushing up higher. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 9:55 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down in either direction. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and joining the members using this resource as well to maximize and receive the clarity and edge that everyone deserves within the volatility of the markets, creating opportunities in either direction. So here we are with HYMC, again, pushing up higher. And in today's video, you're definitely going to want to stick around. I have some exciting stuff to share with you guys based off 42 vision on the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1-day, and we're going to break it all down. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day turned out to be spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the 3 stocks I mentioned this morning, and one of them turned out to be a home run. Every single one of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20% jumps, but the home run of the day turned out to be PLX. It was under a bull indicator, pushing upwards and consolidating here in the pre-market. And when we mentioned it, it actually started its first dip, went towards 137, popped back up, sat sideways, and started to pick up momentum towards the bell. And the stock had already ran almost 20% plus in the first few minutes of the day, pulled back down and ran up again for a highest point of 40% plus, guys. This is the home run of the day. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with HYMC, and HYMC stock had an explosive move, and we're going to talk about some key levels here in today's video. And I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and receiving the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource as well and join the members using it to maximize within the volatility, receiving that clarity and that edge within each move, whether stocks are going up, down, within the charts, receiving that edge that everyone deserves. And you can now obtain it as well. So HYMC here, it is now under a bull indicator, and it canceled out this bear indicator since way up here at 265. Now, the way this popped up though, a lot of volatility going on here on 42 vision, and that's what I'm going to break down, but we're going to look at the bigger time frames as well. So if we pull up the 4-hour here on HYMC, you could see that the chart has actually been under a bear indicator for the last several days, and it's trying to reverse right now and getting out of this dark green with red borders into green with green. If you guys saw my live stream yesterday or the video I talked about yesterday, I was talking about looking at this very closely if this starts to reverse back up. But we want this to come with strength and get a bull indicator somewhere along those lines to the upside to cancel out this bear indicator, because anything going upwards, if it doesn't have enough strength to hold up or get a bear indicator and confirm further strength, it could all turn out to be a fake out. And the bigger picture is currently showing a bear indicator, and we could probably end up back down to retest these lows or even lower over time. We won't see it happen right now in 2 or 3 days, but a week or 2 from now, we may see that volatility play out if no bull indicator pops up to continue this strong move, even though it went up, came back down, and it could continue the overall bigger picture. If this bear indicator gets canceled, this bull indicator plus another bull indicator, the bigger picture is to the upside. If not, this is actually coming to a point where either it's going to consolidate or retest the lows or hit newer lows, especially if it shifts from dark green with red borders to red bars and this bear indicator holds up and no bull indicator pops up to cancel it out. This is going to be important moving forward. Now on the 1 day, we can go ahead and look at this, and you could see that the bigger picture has been under a bull indicator since way down here at 70 cents, pulled upwards, and as we were pulling downwards, if no bear indicator popped up, this was always looking like a setup for the next bull run. It did happen. We go ahead and talk about this consolidation and everything, and here we see the breakout, but this time around, it's eventually going to hit a level of either bearishness or the next leg up. It depends on how fast this transition to the downside happens. It does not mean that the overall story or chart in the bigger picture has been destroyed, but right now in this volatility, we are currently pulling back pretty fast, and it's going to be important to watch the 4-hour how it's looking, and also this 1 day chart going from bright green with red borders back to dark green with red borders, and then eventually either a bear indicator on the way down popping up or a red bar as well, okay, signifying further weakness. These are going to be some pivotal moments, and I'm not talking about just today or this week, the next 2 to 3 weeks, like almost this whole entire month, how all of this is going to play out as we see it, because in the last month, this stock went from 70 cents all the way to $3. And also it's been following how AMC's reacting. And if I look up AMC here for you guys to see it, you will go ahead and see that AMC is looking pretty similar and moving a lot faster, right? Got that bull indicator on the 23rd, and it's moving a lot faster on the 1 day back down from the overall picture. So this is very important to realize that HYMC, if you look at it, it moved up faster, right? It's moving down slower, and AMC is moving down faster than HYMC, okay? Because things picked up on AMC on the 23rd. Things picked up on HYMC on the 10th, actually way back here on the 7th. So this is going to go ahead and see either a detachment from each other, or they're going to come together and react together as they have. We have to see if they detach. That's going to be important as well. But on the 30-minute, this is pretty exciting to see this bull indicator. But within 42 vision, from white with red borders to bright green, that's been a complete transition. And we need to see this go even stronger to the upside, because this shift already right here, going from bright green to dark green with red borders or even green borders, is a signification of possible weakness if this cannot break above certain resistance levels. And that's what we're going to break down here in today's video. So here we have it with HYMC shifting completely. It has a bull indicator. We have the 4-hour showing us. Obviously, it's trying to reverse up with it, but currently still in a bear indicator. So that's going to be important. And this could all turn out to be a fake out or just a momentum move within the volatility, because it's done it before and it has continued downwards, right? So when you look at the bigger picture, it's been going downwards. It hit extreme weakness levels on white with red borders, and it's trying to reverse. But this shift happened way too fast, in my opinion. We'll see how things play out in the next few days. But let's go ahead and talk about resistance. The highest point, 230, definitely needs to be broken through, turn into a support. And then the next level is up here at 259. I would just round that up to 260 to then break out and talk about higher levels. Those are the two levels right now within the chart that I'm watching very carefully to the upside to see if this bull indicator holds. This does not get negated by a bear indicator, and if the bulls can continue the full strength going into tomorrow and even the rest of this week. Now, to the downside, the lowest point reached here is 195. That was below $2. Super important for this to hold above $2. I've stated it in most of my videos, and even holding above 210. If it cannot do that, it's going to lose momentum pretty quickly to the downside, and then below 195 and $2 is down here at 180, okay? 181, 180 give or take is the next support level. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. And if you guys want to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and joining the members using it as well, receiving the edge and clarity that everyone deserves within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. We look forward to getting you all set up. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.